Ano yan? Hey! What's up mga gamre? Welcome back sa ating gaming channel. At tayo ay nagbabalik sa isa na namang horror game. At ito ang Nightmare Next Door. Ewan ko kung next door ba, basta may nightmare yun. So, andito tayo sa isang kwarto. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay, explore muna natin. Anong meron dito? Uy, key. Nakukuha ba yan? Hindi. Okay, dito. Oh, may mga bote. Bro, mamawalang laman. Ikot mo nga yan. Okay, so bawal buksan tong cabinet. So, tara, labas tayo. Okay, anong meron dito? Oh, may study tayo. Study ba tayo na? Oh, come on. Why? I can study with this noise all the time. I should give the guy upstairs a peace of mind. Lalabasin ba natin yung nag-iingay? Hey, igay mo! Putik! Okay, akitin nga pala natin ang putik niya. Akala ko nasa ano tayo. Second floor. Nasa first floor pa lang pala tayo, Ben. Kasi tapat ng bahay natin dun yun. Tayo, putik. Tayo, Mek! Hey! Urusay! Could you please lower the volume? What the... Kala mo, madadaan mo ako sa katawan mo, ha? Puti ka, ha? You call this loud? Yo, anong matatawag mo dyan, ha? Di ba ingay yan? Yes, it is. You're disturbing the peace. I bet you're the only one. Maybe you're too upset. If the neighbor said it's too wrong, I'll think about it. Look, I will ask him then now, ha? May kita mo, makapatahimik din kita, ha? Kung mag-alala. Okay. Hello? Knock the door. Excuse me? Sumimasen? The fuck, man? Ay, tayo sagot yan. Are you home? Anybody there? Wow, walang tao, man. Okay, sa kabila tayo. Walang tao dyan. The fuck? Makalabas na siya. Wala nga dyan. Okay, dito naman. Wow, may nag-i-study mo. Bawal natin istorbo yun ata. Ano, babalik ba tayo sa kanya? Okay, balik tayo, balik. Oh, walang tao. Probably not home. Seems like they're often not at home. Not at home? You sure it's not just an empty room? Of course, they don't complain if nobody lives there. No, it isn't empty. Sometimes, I hear the door opening and closing. Wala kang tao eh. Parang magkakagano. Doesn't seem to be anyone around today, though. Ano to? Ganda maglakad ah. Uy, she was home? What do you mean? Ito ba yung tao dito? She was home. Look, kind of freaky too. That's the first time I ever seen her. So ngayon na siya lumabas. Kasi hindi mo nakikita. Puti ka. Why all the black? Ewan. Sabi mo sa kanya. May lumabas din dito. What's going on? Could you argue somewhere else, please? Okay. Sorry. Alam ko nag-i-study ka, ha? Puting na to, napakaingay, eh. Okay, sorry na. Excuse me, can I ask you something? I'm from downstairs. Does the loud music from the apartment bother you?
Well, a little, but our rooms are separated. I could ask him next door.
Just left.
And there isn't anyone else?
What do you mean?
I'm pretty sure more women are living there.
Strange bench.
They all have a different figure. Okay, dressed completely in black. And they never say anything but even a hello. Very friendly, if you ask me. That's all there. I still have work to do. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day too. So weird. Yeah. Kasi putang ina, sino yung babaeng yun? Hoy! Naipit ako! Kaya. That doesn't really help me with this noise issue. Ewan. Better get back to my room to try some more study. Okay, so mga pag-study na tayo ng payapa. Ba't nagsishake? Music pa rin akong na, no? Uy, putik ka! What the heck, man? Who's that? My belongings and clothes are scattered. I should have locked the doors. Whoa! Anyone there? Huh? Parang siya yung babae kanina. Okay. Okay, the music stopped. Okay. Tumigil na yung music, man. Study na tayo. What happened? After all the trouble he gave me, oh well, I can finally do some studying. Yeah, makapayapa na tayo. And yeah, gabi na. So, matutulog ba tayo? Or cellphone ka muna? Phew! It's already dark. I could really use a drink. I'm going to buy soda. What the fuck, man? What are you doing? Ang weird mo, ha? Ang weird mong babae ka. Yun yung ano, yung nasa ano natin sa taas. Wait lang. Ano bang pwede dito? Oh, ito, may share pala tayo dito. Okay, so saan naman tayo bibili ng soda? Who are you? Ito pala, may vending machine. Who are you, bro? We're so lonely. Just a shadow. Okay, so bili tayo ng soda. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Is that the guy from Upstairs? Oh, siya pala yung ano, yung nagpapatugtog. Ba't ang ginagawa mo dito, ha? Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, it's you. Don't sneak up on me like that. What's got into you? You're right as a shit. Can I ask you something? Sure. Looks like this next girl to me. What's up with them? What do you mean? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know how many people live there, but they never make a single song. And with this team works. I should at least be able to hear them talk or move around or something. It's freaking me out. Why? Ah! Na-trauma. Oh, puta! Sinasagot ko. Wow! Ito yung babaeng sumisilip sa atin, di ba? Hindi ko napansin. Bakit? Who are they? What thing are they doing next door? What are they doing that not a single sound leaks through the snow? Ewan. I'm going back to my room. See you around. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa room natin. May footstep? Ha? Ano yun? Or may kumakato? Di ko alam. What was that? Should like it come from upstairs. Wala ba tayong panaksak dito? Or something na sharp? Anyway, so tara tignan natin. Upstairs daw. Diba? Yung study pa rin. Hey, what are you doing there? Anong meron, ha? Yung gulo ng bahay niya. Hello? Are you okay? The door seems to be open. Okay, so pasok tayo. What the hell happened here? That's weird. It's a complete sleep. And nobody's home. Masyado in the wind. So let's look around some more. They really don't make any sound. Ewan. That is strange. Hey, there's a hole over there. Wait, ito ba? How did this get here? It looks made. Wow, kung sabihin sinisilipan may babae. Maybe the guy did it. Okay, siya nga. Manyakis kang kupal ka. Tingnan natin. Okay, nakalook. What the fuck? Ano yan? Hey, puta. Naka. Ano yun? Wait, ay! Bobby! Ah! Yeah! Ano yun? Labas pa ba ako? Dito na ako. Putik na yan. Holy shit! Those limbs. Why do they extend the contract? Does this mean one of those women with different figures? Is it the same woman? Where is she going? I don't know, man. No? We should leave right now. Dude, ayoko na dito. Let's see. Ayoko na dito, please. Saan tayo pupunta? Puta. She could still be in the hallway. Okay, so, okay. I need to look out of the window outside the she goes. Kasi yung window na ito. Open! Open! Please, shit to run. Bro, late ka na, bro. What happened? What happened to me? Oh, putek na yan. The dead body was found only a month later. The police decided that Apter's neighbor killed you and ran away. Ending 2. What the fuck, man? Ang weird ng babae. Bakit nagagano yung katawan niya? Putik na patay pa tayo. Hindi tayo nakatakbo, sobrang takot. Putik na yan. Okay, nakuha natin yung ending 2. And yeah. Pero para sa akin, hindi ko natapos tong laro na to. Pero sige, try ko next time. So yung natapos natin ang Nightmare Next Door. Ewan ko kung yun, wait, tignan natin. Ay ito, Nightmare Next Door. Ayan siya guys. Ang Nightmare Next Door. So natapos naman natin siya, nakuha natin yung ending 2. Pero para sa akin, eh hindi ko siya natapos kasi wala tayo nagawa. Puro sigaw lang, potek na walang po yung pan-video to. Okay, so siguro dito ko natatapusin itong video na to guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At kung nag-enjoy na kayo, mag-iwan na ako ng like dyan. Mag-subscribe na din kayo. So, ayan, bago yung ano natin, bago yung suot natin, nakakimono. Tapos naka-bucket hat. Potek yan, ano na gusto kong outfit eh. So yun lang guys, hanggang sa susunod na video. Bye-bye. Potek. Lalaroin ko pa isa yun. Potek na yan.